What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Kayotic Motorsports video. I know we haven't posted anything in a few weeks. Apologize for that. Been working on a couple things, got a lot going on, but we are back. We have a bit of a surprise for you. So this is what we've been doing for the past couple weeks. We officially have a home outside of our personal garage. So these next few videos you're gonna see will probably be us turning this into our shop. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do in here. As you can see, it's very bare bones. We gotta move all our stuff in here. We gotta buy some new stuff and then start operating out of here. So hopefully start making some more money because we now have overhead. So yeah, that is pretty much an update of what we've had going on. Like I said, we will keep taking videos as we transform this into a functioning, workable space, as well as throwing other videos in between of the cars, because unfortunately, as you can see, we drove the base model Lancer out here. Both race cars are down. Both flip cars are on hold. Well, all the flip cars are on hold. There's actually a few. So that's all on hold pretty much until we get this thing where we need it. We do obviously got to get the race cars done in the garage because we can't get them out here unless we want a trailer, and we don't really want to do that. So yeah, there's just a little update. This is going to be where you see most of the videos coming from now on. Here, tracks and shows. Going to be about it. This is going to be a short one. This is really all we had for you. I appreciate you guys watching. And yeah, subscribe to see some more content. If you don't know about the race cars that I was talking about earlier, check out our other videos. I'll throw a couple links in here for you guys to click on, whatever, for more shop stuff. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment what you think. If you live around us, then hit us up. We could probably use some help getting this all together. So if you feel like helping, hit us up. And, yeah, so that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.